Fossil fuels and nuclear energy are vastly consumed by the human population to support our everyday lives. This results in CO2 emissions, increase in global warming, and atmospheric pollution. Many countries are now employing methods of recycling and looking into renewable energy, one of which is the proton exchange membrane fuel cell. Hydrogen is blown into one side of the chamber. An anode separates the hydrogen from its electrons. A membrane, made from precious metals such as palladium, conducts the protons through to the negative cathode. Electrons run along another pathway, providing energy for the fuel cell. In the other chamber, oxygen binds with hydrogen ions, making water, which is pumped out of the cell. This sounds all good. The metal membrane is used up and the precious nanoparticles are hard to get. Don't worry. In 2009, collaborative research from the University of Birmingham and Professor Frank Sargent from the University of Dundee found a way to use bacteria as a way to extract nanoparticles quickly out of wastewater and renew the membrane. These metals were tested as PEM-FC electrodes and membranes.
I was really interested in bioremediation. Bioremediation is the use of living organisms to clean up the environment, clean up human problems, oil spills, radioactive waste. This particular project was all about recovery of precious metals. So the automobile industry used palladium in catalytic converters, desperately trying to take out noxious gases from the exhaust. It leads to oxidized palladium that they just threw away. So the idea was that if you could take that oxidized palladium, palladium-2, and re-reduce it somehow into palladium metal, you would have precious metal recovery and you could use that for something else. Simple organisms like E. coli can recycle palladium salts into palladium metal and really quite easily.
Hello.
So one lesson in science is don't expect anything, expect nothing, assume nothing. What we knew was that palladium powder, chemically produced, could be used to make a thin fuel cell. So why not try it with biopalladium? But it was really surprising that it worked in a way, and so it proved to be a good way to make a fuel cell grade palladium. Next 10 years, present global government policy, present pressure groups and things are always trying to encourage sustainability, recycling, reducing greenhouse gas production. So if you can make fuel cells which are a bit like batteries that will generate electricity for different means, out of recycled metal, out of other recycled products, people can get used to using these things in everyday life. The automobile industry can start to clean itself up and recycle and reuse, and then I think it will be great. And I think people of the world are moving that way. The dinosaurs are dying out.